MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides fast and dependable emergency boiler repair in Pottstown, PA, helping restore heat and comfort when unexpected boiler problems occur. A malfunctioning boiler can leave your home or business without reliable heating, especially during the coldest months. Our experienced technicians respond promptly to diagnose the issue and perform professional repairs on all major boiler brands and models. Whether you're dealing with leaks, pressure problems, unusual noises, or a complete system failure, we deliver effective solutions that restore safe and efficient operation. Trust MAC HVAC Service and Repair for reliable emergency boiler repair in Pottstown, PA, whenever you need urgent heating assistance. Contact MAC HVAC Service and Repair to learn more about our services. Are you looking for an emergency boiler repair near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair, who provides emergency boiler repair in Pottstown, PA. MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides fast and dependable emergency boiler repair in Pottstown, PA for homeowners and businesses dealing with unexpected heating system failures. What qualifies as an emergency boiler repair? An emergency boiler repair is necessary when your heating system stops working unexpectedly or creates conditions that could affect the safety and comfort of your property. What is your emergency boiler repair in Pottstown, PA? Our emergency boiler repair has served Pottstown, Earlville, Weavertown, Amityville, Douglasville, Unionville, Stowe, Bucktown, Pewtown, Ludwig's Corner, Gilbertsville, New Hanover, Fagleysville, Limerick, Linfield, Kenilworth, Parker Ford, Spring City, Royersford, Graterford, Pennsylvania. Where is the MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 927 East High Street, Pottstown, Pennsylvania 19464. Our phone number is 610-672-3052. Visit our website, https://pjmashvats.com/air duct cleaning service Pottstown.